Hello YouTube, today we'll be starting a handcuff challenge, an all-nighter handcuff challenge. We'll be here all night with these handcuffs on each other. Hey, you see what I'm saying? We cannot move. We cannot take these off of us. Leave them on for the longest. No, I'm not going to take mine off. It's just a little too tight. So here we go.
Scoot up. Just turn up.
I can't see on my freaking phone. Let's go. We're doing the all-nighter handcuff challenge. We could not unhandcuff each other.
Scoot over. Scoot your hand over. Quick.
He needs me to scoot my hand over. He needs my hand. Well, guess what? I need my hand to text.
Quick. No.
You gotta get over here.
No.
You gotta get over here.
No.
If I move my hand, you gotta get over here.
No.
It's part of the challenge.
No. Stay right here.
It's what the YouTubers want to see. Was that Juju who just invited you?
No.
Who was it?
I don't know. I meant.
Was it Justin? Is that Juju or Justin?
I don't know. Justin. Not Juju. Hello. Hello? Brother. Why are you recording me?
This man is on my YouTube channel today. We are stuck in handcuffs. We can't move.
Yeah, and you're gonna stay right here. Quit! Bro, I swear quit. Put your hand right here on my plan.
It's right here.
I'm gonna quit the challenge. On top of here. Or I quit the challenge, sir.
But say I gotta text my phone, right? I have to move my hand.
No.
Come here. We can give you a controller. Come on. Watch my pretty boy Troy.
What's up, Juju? What's up?
Tell her what we're doing.
Oh.
Tell her what we're doing.
Huh?
Tell her what we're doing.
Okay, me and Bubba are doing the 24-hour challenge for handcuffs for 24 hours. Yeah, it's no. Yeah, he can.
Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Bro, I'm cracked on this Fortnite stuff.
She's using Justin's Xbox, that's why.
So how y'all
We just now started, but we haven't done all that.
are y'all gonna sleep
No!
What's
I'm
the
gonna stay
difference
together.
between a liberal and a
Yeah.
left? This question stumps most people
What
because
is
they
that?
think liberal and left are essentially the same. But they're not. In fact, liberalism and leftism have almost nothing in common. But the left has appropriated the
Yeah.
word liberal so effectively.
Cause I move around when I sleep.
like, cause that could that's just not good.
Yeah.
Unless you really still sleep, which I'm not.
Yeah.
And you like to move around.
Yeah. I'm on Fortnite. Quit! Go!
We are both mad as crap because we're stuck together.
I'm just gonna practice
We're mad.
my 90s.
We're mad because we're stuck together.
And also, Bubba's doing a YouTube channel. That's why.
Look at us. We're stuck together. And he's
Yeah.
very mad.
He's recording because I can't play. But you're out of thing.
We're stuck together like a hug. Look at this nigga. This nigga Mike fell off because he's stuck together with my hand and he can't do it anywhere.
No! What? Mom don't cheat. That first of all. And yeah, we still get it straight. Mom don't cheat.
What's going on? So what's going on? What's going on?
Okay.
What's going on about this vlog? What's going on about this vlog?
Wait, record me.
What's up about this vlog? What's going on, man?
Recording with his phone.
What's going on, man?
Okay, come on, record me.
We're stuck together once again. We're still here. I'm just watching that pretty boy Trey, and he cheated on his goddamn girlfriend once
Record me.
again. He keeps doing it, but it's okay. I don't know why.
About us. We need to talk about us. I kind of did something. And you got me on pause. I see why I did. I see why. Why did you get me on pause?
I need a Q-tip.
Not too bad.
I need a Q-tip from my ears.
Bubba's about to quit the challenge.
I didn't quit no challenge, boy. Stop playing with me.
Never mind.
I'm still here.
I'm not that kind. I can't cry 90s anymore. Yeah. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Go subscribe to my boy Justin. So what's his YouTube?
It's not Justin.
What's his YouTube?
Devor Tacky.
Say it a little louder for him so they can hear you.
Devor Tacky. Now shut up talking to me.
Devor Tacky.
Now quit calling out other people's channel. I'm not playing.
Okay? Go subscribe to him.
Yeah, only.
Look at how he light skin. He living
No, you're not.
and he just
You're
not
not good.
The girls be trying to talk to him already.
Okay, I'm gonna leave. Look at these 90s, brother.
Come on, you gotta
Brad Allen.
You cheated first.
I did a Minecraft video. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It was a dare. I was there. Vicky dared me to do it. To say that I'm cheating on you. But apparently now I found out that you're cheating.
It's just.
What's going on?
Stop!
He said stop.
See this? That's how you know I play on Xbox One.
Xbox, he's an Xbox One player.
See this? That's how you know.
How old are you?
9.
And we're what?
I'm 9.
What with these?
Handcuffs.
We're stuck together, man.
And I'm about to take them off.
No, he's not gonna take him off.
You can take this little thing.
Oh, hold up.
Tell her after this. Tell her after the video. After the
Shut up.
video, we'll
Shut up,
show
I
it to you. La, 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 la.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you this.
Oh, we have like
I'm like 8 or 9, 10.
8 or 9, 10.
No, just send me your PO box so that way I can
8 or 9 or 10. Can you get your arm over here? I'm not playing. I'm about to quit.
We're doing this challenge, and my little brother is thinking about quitting. So if he quit, he's a wimp. There's no quitting involved in this.
Shut up, bruh.
We have the money on the line. We have the money on the
We
loan.
haven't posted it yet.
Tell her she wants to know what it is. A piece of picture of me on there.
No to you when you ask me out. Thank you. Oh, why you like that?
Chill, chill.
Yeah. Watch the whole video.
You don't think he's playing? Come on, Rick. I don't know about this one. Is your feelings hurt?
Quit! Oh, you're watching this video! You're watching the Minecraft that we just posted.
He called me back.
I'm the one who did all the work. Because that was I was doing a YouTube chat video.
Don't answer.
This video is really, really crazy because we're
not
handcuffed together. So tell the vlog what you want them to hear.
I wanna quit the challenge.
So he wants to quit the challenge, and it's not gonna happen.
Shout out to Juju, okay? That's my cousin's sister.
What's her gamer tag?
She don't got gold, so no, I'm not gonna shout it out, but I will. Okay. I'm a gamer girl.
My cousin, she's a girl and she's a gamer too. But when she gets online in the next video, we'll tell you her gamer tag.
And she's better than you.
But for right now, we cannot tell you.
But she's playing on his BR.
On Hezzy BR, she's on his BR right now. This is going to go very, very crazy. We're going to go very, very viral.
Oh, shut up. I'm playing a match. All right, come on. Record me. Bro, I'm not playing. Quit. If I die with you.
I'm gonna go with nobody.
I'm
Single forever. She will be single forever. Tomorrow don't want
I'm
nobody.
playing with my cousin Juju.
Tomorrow don't want nobody.
Ah.
Buddy. I don't need nobody.
Look at
I don't need no
Battle Bus.
boy.
This thing
I don't
ugly.
need nothing.
Yeah. I got like 2 dubs today.
Or I don't know,
like 3.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I need no.
Yeah, sure.
I need love. That's the little sister I raised. I need love. Slide in and cut it because.
Can you get on my face?
But
Get the camera out my face. Get the camera out my face, brother. Brother, I said get the camera out my face.
yeah. So why would you cheat on my little sister?
Hey! Get out of my school?
Come on, girl. It's a prank. We're pranking.
Kids at my school? Kids at my school?
It's a prank. Real talk, you want to see the messages? Ooh, said you like so beautiful. Ooh, he don't got no other girl. He just said he got no attached. No, you was his only girl, and he didn't look at nobody else but you.
Got one.
This boy trying to play the game. And I'm going to go get me a snack. You don't want to get up. I want a snack. Can I get a snack, Rick? Got snacks in here? So you got a honey bun in there for me. Yes, you
Get out
got
my
a,
drawer.
yes, you got a honey bun in there for me.
To eat the honey bun. I don't want it.
Yes. You got a honey bun for me. I
Bro,
ain't got
this
to
kid
get up.
suck, bro. I'm handcuffed. Nigga still, boo boo.
I don't got to get up no more.
I'm a third party. Not her, a third party. Oh! There's 2 pillies! Oh, not 2 pillies, there's 2 gingerbread. Spot. No! Laser! 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 I'm handcuffed, bro. I'm about to quit.
Please
I'm about to
don't.
quit.
Do not quit for the subscribers. We need the money. It's what we need. Do not quit.
I'm not gonna quit.
We gotta get this money.
Hey, that's Butter and Justin.
You said what? You said what now?
If your friend doesn't even subscribe, tell him. You only have 2 little subscribers.
There we are. So we got the fake skin, as you can see here, and we also got the, I'll show you how to get free skins in format. So right now, this is what I have at the moment.
That's a
We have two
glitch.
skins,
That game's
one
sick.
legendary, one epic, and 2 common. So I will show you how you can get as many as you want. Only the only limit is that you can get it.
I'm stuck. No, we're not handcuff each other. No. No, Bryce. Play your game. No.
Yeah, I'm gonna no. In the video that we were making, I'm gonna be in it.
He's gonna be in the video. Oh my God, we're fucking stuck. I'm fucking stuck.
Wait.
I can't go any goddamn where. I'm locked. I feel like I'm locked in jail.
Yeah, for real. There, sure.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bubba Allen in the cut, and we're stuck in handcuffs.
You wanna know what thing you right to make some little job? Yeah, so this is my first time. I'm trying right now. This is so good, y'all. Yeah.
You said, way too soon, you know?
Oh, these motherfuckers busting.
Yeah, shit's about to die.
Hot Cheeto challenge.
Hold on, y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, hey. Don't say that. Don't you say that. No, Junior, come on! Quick! Quit that ring the doorbell. In that house. In that room. Go, he's healing! He's healing! Revive. Right there! Junior, don't carry me! Oh my God, why would you try to carry me?
All right, I gotta go get a Q-tip.
No! Sit down. I'm gonna quit the challenge.
Don't quit the challenge.
I quit.
No. Don't quit.
No, I didn't quit.
The subscribers want to see. No. Look at this. Look, we're stuck. We're doing a challenge. No, let's play your game. Play your game. Yeah, play our game, boy.
Memer.
You said a memer.
with me. I see baby Randy. Look.
Don't cut
Look at
that.
baby Randy.
That ain't him, boy. Stop playing.
Alright.
I mean, that hair look just like his, but nah, that ain't my boy.
I'm getting loot. Yeah.
This is the 24-hour
Alright.
sit-down handcuff challenge.
2 years. That's all I'm getting. That's some hands.
I'm handcuffed to him. He's handcuffed to me. We're stuck. You cannot go anywhere.
Who moving? I'm not playing. Just drive around. Don't leave me. Make sure this don't get shut down. It's okay. No, it's okay.
Dude, this fool got any more snacks in here? I'm locked in here for 24-hour challenge, and I can't goddamn move.
Help! Let me! Go! Go here! No! Oh my god! There's people right there! I'm gonna die! Drive away! Drive away! Choo-choo! Let's never do that ever again.
I have to feed him gummy bears because he can't move.
Okay.
We're stuck.
Okay, I'm gonna get loot. Or we should just land the rig because that has a helicopter.
I'm trying to grow some
The
dreads
rig.
out. See how nice my stuff will look when it grows out.
Or the grotto. No, the grotto is. Alright. Okay. Oh!
He's stealing. He's stealing. He's stealing.
Hi guys, you like bananas?
Yeah, I'm trying to grow dreads. I got them kind of started and I'm gonna let them lock up. We're still stuck. Oh, we're still stuck.
I quit. I quit.
He says he quit, but we're not quitting. We're gonna get this money together. We're gonna get this money together. Let's sing it together. Say we're gonna get this money. Come on. Put your face in here. We're gonna get this money. Say it now. We're gonna get this money.
Want this? Comment, like, subscribe. I'll give you it.
We're gonna get this money.
Want this? Comment, like, subscribe.
Let's get this money. I want to hear, so let's get this money.
Want this Beyblade? Comment, like, subscribe. On my TV? Comment, like, subscribe. You want this water? No, you're not getting it.
So let's get this money.
I get one now.
Let's get this
Oh,
money.
that's like a girl. Ugh.
Hey, turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Hey, turn up. Fool got some good hair.
The girl is ugly.
She is ugly. But he got some good hair and a nice beard. Some beautiful teeth. But she, on the other hand, ugh.
Oh, he's ugly.
Ooh.
Hi, Jojo.
Ooh.
Me either.
He's stealing. Oh, he's stealing. Oh, look at him. Look at him. He's eating the shit in front of me. He's stealing. Oh, he got a fat mouth. Full of stuff.
Ah. Ugh.
Is it blurry? Is it? Is it blurry?
Yeah.
Better?
No. What did you do?
Sorry, YouTube. I had to clean my camera for a minute. Much better. Much better. Now we're gonna get back at it again. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get back at it again.
Hey, boy.
Sorry, YouTube. I had a camera. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get back at it again. Here we go, man. Back at it again. Say it. Say back at it. Say back at it again with the white vans. Back at it again with the white vans. You wanna say it? Say back at it again with the white vans.
Back at it again, boy. You booty.
Back at it again with the white vans.
You shut up. Leave.
I got a pretty much a lot of tattoos on my body, but I'm stuck in these handcuffs. Like when this ends, I really want y'all to go like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Asha. No. Leave the party in Fortnite. Okay, I thought you were talking about something else.
You got the same phone I got. Let's get
I've
it.
been promoted to party leader.
She ugly.
You booty hole. Guess what? Paws and claws.
Come on.
You know who I'm gonna be?
Go give me a few snacks. No, give me a few snacks. He won't let me get up and give me a few snacks. Go get a few snacks. No, chill out. We're on the YouTube channel. It's for the subscribers, man. Chill out, man. It's too tight. Get up here. Too tight. No, we're not leaving. We're not leaving. We're not going anywhere. We're still here.
I'm gonna quit.
We're still here, YouTube.
I'm gonna quit.
We're still here, YouTube. We're still here, YouTube. We're still here. I didn't go anywhere. Neither did Bryce.
Okay, I will. On my screen, I'm ready up.
Can you put it tighter, please?
No, I'm not unreading up. That's stupid.
We're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. Shake some. We're gonna shake some. We're gonna shake some. We're gonna shake some.
Okay. Let me see.
Put that back on.
On accident.
Put it back on.
It's on.
It's 24-hour cuff hand challenge. Put it back on.
No, I'm not. Like that?
Clip it now. Tighter.
No, if you. Oh,
No.
Juju? I might quit.
We're trying to play tug war with our arms.
I'm gonna quit.
No quitting.
Guys, look at me. I'm sorry, but I gotta go. You thought. You bots. Bye-bye.
He's so adorable. Oh my god. Look at him. He's so adorable. Oh my god.
Put your on face cam.
But his face is.
Put your face cam.
But his face is dirty.
Look at your face. Guys, my controller just fell. I gotta go pick it up. I don't know what y'all talking about. Pick it up. Guys, I'm sorry, but time for me to go.
He said he wants to quit.
No, I don't. I'm scared.
Hey, YouTube.
Need to quit.
He says he thinks he wants to quit YouTube.
Guys, should I quit? It's like one pinch away from quitting. So,
But we're 2 pinches away from winning this money. You don't go anywhere. We're gonna get this money. If you want a clip, we're done.
guys, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you guys want me to quit, comment down below. But I'm sorry, but I love you. You thought, but you thought you bots. 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 Should I quit? Should I quit?
They're not gonna quit. Let's go get some snacks.
No.
Come on.
No.
You gotta come on. You gotta do this for
Guys,
the.
look. Guys, look.
We gotta do it for the YouTubers. Come on.
I quit.
Okay, he quit, guys. That's the end of the video. Go like, comment, and subscribe.